Okay, so I'll explain once again. ये diagram भूल जाओ. Let me do one thing. Let me separate these diagrams. I'll draw this diagram like this, and I'll draw this diagram like this. Okay. So I'll name this as, let me say, P, Q, R, and then X, Y, Z. This is the name I'm giving them. Now the data says that this particular side is equal to this particular side, this particular side is equal to this particular side, and this particular side is equal to this particular side. Now, wherever I've given one strike, I'll name that side as side 1. So if this is also side 1, I'll give the same name over here as well. So is this much clear? How did I name side 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this will be side 2, and over here, this will be side 2, and over here, this will be side 3, and here as well, this will be side 3. Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm pretty sure, okay, fine. With the help of SSS test, I have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Now I have to write the names of the triangle. So I've always told you that the sequence of side or sequence of vertices, they are very important for us. So on one side, if I'm writing triangle PQR is congruent to. On the other side, sequence कैसे लिखना है? See, the triangle is definitely XYZ, but this XYZ can be written in various ways. XYZ can be written as like this, XYZ can be written like this, XYZ can be written like this, है ना? And XYZ can be written like this, and six different ways we can write, and XYZ can be written like this, and XYZ can be written like this. So these are the six different ways how I can write XYZ. I hope this much is clear.
You wrote ZYZ in the last one. It should be ZYX.
Sorry, I could not hear you. Can you please repeat?
So it should be ZYX in the last one.
Huh. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach how to choose that, how to write this, the second pair. So P का corresponding side vertex ही आना चाहिए यहाँ पर. So corresponding vertex of P should appear first. Now, what is P? P is the vertex between first side and the second side. So on the other triangle also, whichever vertex is between first and the second side, that should come over here. In this case, first is there, second is there. So X is between first and second. Hence, instead of P, I will write X over here. So far, is it clear? Or I can say P is corresponding to X.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, speaking about Q, Q का corresponding side कौन है? Q is between 1 and 3, side number 1 and 3. So over here as well, between side number 1 and 3, कौन आता है?
Z.
Z. Yeah. And similarly goes for R. R is between 2 and 3. Over here between 2 and 3, it's Y. I'll write Y. Hence the triangle which is congruent is basically X, Z, Y. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now using the same logic, I have created the uh, congruence over here. So triangle ABC, ABC. Now A से corresponding vertex कौन है? So A is between one and the third side. You got my point? This is second side. This is second side. This is the first side. Now for the triangle ABC, it is between first and third side. So for the triangle ABD, which vertex is between first and third side? Hmm?
So
B.
B.
Yeah, B. B is between first and third side. So uh, instead of like the vertex corresponding to A will be B over here. Clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Again, coming back to the first triangle, ABC triangle, where now I am speaking about B. Now, for this particular triangle, I'll use a different ink to highlight the first triangle. So pink ink, I hope it will be visible for everyone. So for this pink triangle, B vertex is coming between which two sides? Is it 2 and 3?
Yes, sir. Directly.
Yes. So for the first one, it is coming between 2 and 3. What about the second one? For the second triangle, AB triangle, 2 and 3 के बीच में कौन है?
Sir, A.
A. So in the second place, I'll write A. And third के लिए जो भी बचा रहेगा वो directly डाल देते हैं. So hence, ABC is congruent to BAD. This is true. And here they are mentioning ABC is congruent to ABD. Since the sequence is not matching, we will say they are not congruent. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Now let us solve the worksheet for congruence of triangles. Is the worksheet visible for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Let's start with the first problem. So here's the first problem. What can you say about the congruence of MNO and RSO? MNO and RSO.
Not congruent.
Very good, very good, very good. It's the same logic, my dear children. They are not congruent. Why? You'll say, sir, ये तो congruent है. I can see this angle is matching with this angle, this side is matching with this side, this angle is also matching. So by ASA test, they are congruent. Yes, you're absolutely correct. ASA test से वो लोग congruent जरूर है. Now try writing the names using ASA test. First वाले में
The
I'll write
names are
RSO.
not.
Yeah, the names are not matching. Yes. R की जगह पे N आना चाहिए, S की जगह पे M आना चाहिए, and O की जगह पे O आना चाहिए.
Oh, yes, sir.
So RSO is matching with NMO, not MNO. Hence, they are not congruent. Option 1. Sorry, option 4. I'll just note down the answer key. Okay, let's go for the second one. Triangles X, Y, W, and Z, Y, W are congruent by which test? X, Y, W, and Z,
HS.
Y, W. Yes,
Sir, HS.
yes, both are right angle triangle. These are the hypotenuse which are constant, and one side is also constant, which
One
means
side
it
is common.
is absolutely correct. The second question, the answer is option 3. Third one, state the test of congruence by which the following triangles are congruent. Any
Sir,
guesses?
ASA.
SAS.
Yeah, it should be
Yes.
SAS because the sides are already given. The angle is
So
also
sorry, I
given.
was looking at the next one.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. So in this case, option C is your correct answer. Next one. State the test of congruence by which the following triangles are congruent.
ASA.
ASA.
हाँ.
Very good. Again, option C. Next one. What can you say about the congruence of XYO? Where is X? XYO and ABO is e where angle AOB is equal to XYO.
Sir, ASA test.
AOB is equal to
Yes, sir.
X.
ASA test.
Sir, ASA.
Yeah,
First option.
ASA. Actually,
So
here
order
there is
is
a
correct.
here there is a printing mistake. It should have been XOY.
So then
But
not congruent.
sorry,
So then it will not be congruent.
why?
So because it's XOY.
No. This
It
is
is
angle, my
congruent
dear sir.
only.
It's congruent only. I'm not speaking about triangle. See, triangle ka data is as it is.
Acha, okay.
Okay, I'm only
It
speaking
is
about angle.
possible by ASA test.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
ASA. Yes, you're absolutely correct. Option 1. In the figure given, the given figure, SV is congruent to TU. SV, let me draw like this, is congruent to TU. Okay.
SSS.
SU is congruent to TV. So SU is congruent to TV.
Yes, sir.
The triangles
Yes, sir.
SUT and TVS are congruent by
Yes,
which
sir.
test?
SSS.
Yes, option 1, because this is already congruent. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next one. By which test is XYZ and PQR congruent? XYZ and
Yes, sir.
PQR.
ASA.
ASA. Very good. Eighth one. State the test of congruence by which of the following
HS.
triangles are.
Sir, ASA.
Yeah, this is ASA. Because
Sir,
hypotenuse का कुछ
ASA.
marking किया नहीं है ना.
So the hypotenuse isn't given. Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. The marking for the hypotenuse is not given.
Sir,
Hence we go
HS
for
is
it.
only applicable when the hypotenuse is given.
Yeah, hypotenuse should be
Yes,
marked.
sir.
Ninth one. In the figure given, PQR is 57 and PR is equal to QR. Segment RT is equal to ST. Then find RTS. So what they have given, PQR is 57. So what they're asking is RTS. Okay. So this one is actually simple. I'll tell you how. Now, first of all, this is 57, right? Yeah. Now, these two sides are same. If the sides are same, the opposite angles will be same. Do you agree with this? Matlab, if these two sides are like, it's just like an
So
isosceles triangle.
48. Yes,
And
sir.
Sir,
It will
48.
be same. 48. Yes, sir.
so you know the concept. I'll just explain for the others. So since you know two angles of this triangle, you can find the third angle. The third angle will be 180 minus these two angles. That is minus 57. Minus 57. That is gonna be how much? 66.
123.
No,
No, sir.
both
No,
are
sir. No,
minus.
sir.
Both are
Yeah,
minus.
sir.
So this is,
66.
yes, this is gonna be 66. Okay, if this is 66, which means this will also be 66. Now you consider this triangle, it's an isosceles triangle. Now since these two sides are constant,
So
which means if this is
132.
66, this will also be
Huh.
66. And then the remaining angle will be 180
48.
minus 66 minus 66.
180 minus 132, 48.
48. Okay, proceeding further. 10th one. AB and AC are chords of a circle equidistant from center on the opposite side of the center. AD is the diameter passing through the center. Then triangle BAD is congruent to CAD by which test? Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's draw whatever they are saying. For example, there should be a circle, first of all. Hmm. Now AB and AC are the chords. Matlab both will have same point. Will start with A. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
say AB is one chord like this. AC is another chord like this. They both are equidistant from the center. So this is the center. So this is the perpendicular distance. Distance is always perpendicular on this way as well. Equidistant मतलब दोनों सेम है. चलो मार्किंग कर दिया मैंने. AD is the diameter passing through center. So A से लेकर AD is the diameter passing through center. Then BAD is congruent to CAD by which test? BAD तो इन दोनों को ज्वाइन कर देता हूँ मैं. एंड
RHS.
CAD इन दोनों को भी ज्वाइन कर देता हूँ. CAD are congruent by which test?
Sir,
RHS.
sir, SES?
Mm, wait.
Sir, SES, right?
Sir, RHS.
Wait, I'm thinking. Just a minute.
So the angle
Equidistant तो
A will be
triangle तो same रहेगा.
bisected.
Yeah.
So and
And
A,
equidistant है
B
तो
and
4 भी
AC will
same.
be equal.
Actually S A S से तो होता है वैसे.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. But but
RHS से भी
हाँ RHS से भी होता है. या
Also with RH.
just a minute. या logically speaking तो RHS से भी हो जाता है.
So you said in when doing RS, then choose the other option because RS is like only two values, and the other one will be three values.
Yeah, but in this case, okay, just a minute. हाँ. Now in this case, first of all, I'll say हम इसको कैसे, okay fine. Now due to similarity, I can say that मतलब एक ही मतलब this is a big triangle. So this is the midpoint, midpoint to midpoint. This is one line, midpoint to midpoint, another line. Now, if these two segments are congruent, which means these two segments will also be congruent with each other. So these sides are proved.
Yes, sir.
And by corresponding angle theorem, if this angle is 90, sorry, if this angle is 90, I can say this angle is also 90. Same goes for this. Okay. And this is already matching with, because they are common side. So now, technically speaking, I have what I need. For example, in this case, RHS के लिए whatever data is required, I have. Now, if you wish to prove by SAS, you will again have to sit and solve further. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
in this case, why will I choose RHS? Because this is quick and this is time consuming. Hence, I will go for RHS. Whereas, as I've already told you, one triangle can be proved using various tests. So, technically speaking, you cannot say कि SAS is wrong. No, SAS is not wrong. It is also correct. But I will go for RHS. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. 11th question. As shown in the figure, O is the center of the circle. PQO and RQO are congruent by which of the following test? So this is side, and tell me what else?
सर RHS and SSS से भी होता है सर all of these sir.
Yes. All of these require same amount of effort because
Yes sir.
this is radius. So SSS से तो हो ही जाता है. And this is 90. So RHS से भी हो जाता है. SA से भी हो जाता है.
And SS yes sir.
तो टेक्निकली सारे के सारे के लिए तो सेम एफर्ट है. 12th one. State the test for congruence by which of the
SAS.
following. Yeah, SAS. This one we have done already.
SS yes sir.
Yeah. Thirteenth one. In the given figure, alongside triangle PQR and triangle SRQR, what? PQR,
Third option.
SRQ.
The third
Yeah.
option sir
SS.
SES
SAS.
SES.
No. SAS. Yeah, correct.
Yes
Correct.
sir.
Very true, very true. Very good. 14th one. Which of the following is true with respect to the figure given besides? So X is same, Y and Z. So X, Y, W,
The
and
first option.
no यार X, Y, W and X, Z, W
The
होना चाहिए
second
ना.
option.
Yes sir X
Yeah,
Z
second
W.
option is making
अच्छा
sense.
yes sir yes sir
Okay.
yes sir.
Okay. The last one. As shown in the figure, A, B, C, and D, E, F, they are congruent. AB is 8, which means उसका corresponding ये भी तो 8 होगा. And BC is 6, which means this will also be 6. The perimeter of the figure shown as 38. Find the length of FC. Okay. So, okay, how can we solve this? It's a very simple logic now.
Sir first we find the hypotenuse
Very good. How much
and
is that?
then Sir,
10.
100, 10, 10, sorry.
Pythagoras
10.
theorem say it's a Pythagorean
Yes, sir.
triplet basically.
Yes,
You'll
sir.
get 10.
10.
So, so now, technically speaking, the perimeter of the first triangle is how much?
So
8 plus triangle 1 plus triangle 2 का perimeter
4.
is 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 का double is
24.
48. Do you agree?
48.
Yes. Now, perimeter of this particular
So, but
figure, sorry, hello? Okay, I'm not able to hear you, so I'm continuing my explanation. Perimeter of this particular figure is 38, they have said. So
so,
what
so
we'll do,
48 minus 38.
48 minus 38, we'll get 10 when we subtract.
Yes, sir.
तो ये 10 जो है
So,
वो यहाँ से गया है.
so it's 2 times FC.
Yes, exactly. Now when I
Yes,
subtract
sir.
this becomes 10, which is basically 2 times FC. FC इधर से भी
Yes,
इधर
sir.
से भी. So which means FC is equal to 5.
FC is 5.
5.
Option 3 is your correct answer.
Yes.
So my dear children, आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही है. See you next time with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See ya.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye, sir.